Lookup functions are extremely useful as they allow us to search for a value in one column or row and return a value on the same row or column as the found value. Two really common functions in this category is VLOOKUP or Vertical Lookup and HLOOKUP or Horizontal Lookup. To use VLOOKUP, simply write equals VLOOKUP and in the parentheses define what you are searching for, the area you want to search and return a value from, and the column number in which the value you wish to return exists. To use HLOOKUP, simply write equals HLOOKUP and in the parentheses define what you are searching for, the area you wish to search and return values from, and the row number from which you wish to return a value. Finally, there is XLOOKUP, which you may consider the newer and improved version of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is easier to use and requires less processing power compared to V and HLOOKUP. To use XLOOKUP, simply write equals XLOOKUP and in the parentheses define what you are searching for, the row or column you wish to search, and the row or column you wish to return. Another great thing with XLOOKUP is that it allows us to return values to the left or up from the search value and not just to the right and down as the case is with V and HLOOKUP. Now, if you want to learn more about any one of these functions, check out the corresponding video shown on the screen now.